Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Andi Rafifa Mukhlisa dari kelas PBIA dengan NIM PBIA 2025 dengan NIM 20400125004. Question number 1. After reading the definition of phonetics from two distinct sources, what is phonetics? Define it using your own words. So, in my opinion, phonetic is a linguistic science that study about studies about human speech, starting from how humans how humans produce the sounds from the speech organs, to the how the words can be interpreted by the listener. Yeah, like that. And question number 2 is phonetics studies about speech organs, speech sounds, and the production of speech sounds. What does it mean? Explain your answer. So the first is speech organs. Basically, when we are talking with our friend or anyone, we actually use a speech sound that came from the flowing air, from the lung to the mouth, and yes, we use that for communication. And to vary the speech sound, we need articulation, and the articulation or speech organs takes part in the production of human speech sound. They include lips, teeth, and tongue, ya, dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian speech sound. Jadi speech sound itu seperti yang saya katakan tadi, is what we produce from the process of articulation, like that. And the last is the production of speech sound. Nah, the production of speech sound is how we produce the speech sound with articulation or speech organs, like that. Question number 3 is consonant is the part of segmental sounds. What is consonant? My answer is consonant is speech sound that exists when the flowing air from the lungs to the mouth is blocked, or is blocked by the articulation by the speech organ. Question number 4. How are consonant sounds produced In terms of place and manner of articulation, explain your answer. The first is stops or plosive. So in this manner of articulation, consonant sounds are produced by closing the speech organs, both oral and nasal cavity, that the uh, uh, cavity, and it results air pressure in the oral cavity. When the air pressure is suddenly released, and the English consonant sounds produced through this manner of articulation are, as in the word pen, tie, K, buy, die, buy, go, now, like that. And fricatives, this type of manner of articulation produce consonant sounds by blocking the R stream in the mouth, but not making a complete closure, like cycle, zoom, fan, fast, method, then, ship, pleasure, and hot, like that. And the third is affricativus. This manner of articulation produce consonant sounds by blocking the R stream briefly with the tongue in the mouth, but in contrast to stop, the blocked air stream is suddenly not released, but is slowly released and causes audible friction, like jump, check, like that. And the fourth is nasals. This manner of articulation produce consonant sounds by blocking the R stream pass through the oral cavity using the velum or soft palate and the back of the tongue, so that the air can only pass through the nasal cavity, like man, night, sing, like that. And the fifth is laterals. This manner of articulation produce consonant sounds by contacting the tip of the tongue onto the alveolar ridge, so that the air passes through both sides of tongue, like lip, like that. Lip. Approximant. This type of manner of articulation deals with the way consonant sounds are uttered by making the articulation interact. The tongue and the alveolar ridge without it's not touching. In English, there are three example, like the sounds of word, rise, and you. Word, rise, you. I like that. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.